To get started, launch Google Maps on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, choose Offline Maps. Next, tap Select your own map. A map screen will appear. Using 2 fingers to zoom in or out, adjust the highlighted area to cover the region you need, and refine the area you wish to download. The app will display the approximate file size before downloading. Tap the Download button to proceed. The download will begin immediately, and continue in the background. The duration will depend on the file size and your internet speed. Once the offline map is downloaded, it will be stored on your device for offline use. Google Maps will automatically access it when there is no internet connection available. By tapping the Settings gear icon, you will access various options, including auto-updating offline maps, auto-downloading recommended maps, and adjusting your download preferences. To manage your downloaded offline map, tap the 3 dots next to it. From here, you can update the map, view it, rename it, or delete it. Now, if you don't have an internet connection, and search for a location, Google Maps will use the offline maps instead. So that's how you can download and use offline maps in Google Maps.